how to fix syncing with iCloud paused error on Messages app. So if you want to fix this problem, then first ensure your internet connection is stable by switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data or restarting your router if needed. Once you have a reliable connection, open up your settings and tap on the name which is on the top. Access your Apple ID. If you see a sign-in prompt, enter your Apple ID and password to reauthenticate. Next, you need to tap on iCloud, which is here, and then scroll down to the Photos or Messages section. Depending on where you saw the pause alert, slide the toggle off, wait for a few seconds, and slide it back on. This forces your phone to resume syncing while you are in the iCloud settings. Review the list of apps and services and enable any that have been turned off, such as iCloud Backup or iCloud Drive. You can go with See All, which is on the right side, to restore your full synchronization. If syncing still doesn't resume, you can restart your iPhone by just holding the side button and sliding to power off. After that, it reboots. It will return to your iCloud settings and confirm that everything is turned on. That should clear the pause alert and get your data flowing again. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.